It's time to call upon our next speaker. Our next speaker is known for his fusion of Indian food with international cuisine, and this fusion is what has made Chef Harpal Singh Sokhi a sought-after name within the food industry. Yes, it is now time for some inspirational tadka. With a huge round of applause, can we please have on stage Chef Harpal Singh Sokhi.
So guys, able to hear me? Yes. Fantastic. I like that, man. I like that. I've heard people speaking here. मैंने बहुत लोगों को सुना अभी, और भी लोगों को सुनेंगे आप लोग. बट सबसे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा फिल्ट्रेशन कर देता हूँ. और फिल्ट्रेशन क्या है मैं आपको बताऊं. जितने लोग होटल मैनेजमेंट पसंद नहीं करते हैं वो इसी वक्त उठ के वापस अपने अपने घर चले जाएं और दूसरा कुछ काम कर लें. क्योंकि हम सब जब भी होटल मैनेजमेंट की बातें करते हैं, होटल्स की बातें करते हैं, वी आर सो नेगेटिव अबाउट इट. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आर वी नेगेटिव अबाउट इट. आई हैव लिटिल नॉलेज अबाउट व्हाई पीपल से दैट इट इज़ बैड. हमें 3,000 रुपये से शुरू करना पड़ता है. मैं लोगों को ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप बीकॉम कर लीजिए, एमकॉम कर लीजिए, उसके बाद नौकरियाँ ढूंढिए और मुझे बताइए कि 50,000 से शुरू करते हैं क्या आप लोग इसका जवाब दे पाएंगे तो आई वॉक ऑफ राइट नाउ. हम नहीं शुरू करते हैं. फॉर एनीथिंग टू ग्रो बिग as an individual also, okay, let me just share. I'm only here to speak about what this course can do for you, okay. This course is the only course in the country where you join thinking that कुछ और हो ना हो नौकरी तो मिल जाएगी. तो हिंदुस्तान की एक समस्या तो सॉल्व हो जाती है कि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट थोड़ी सी कम हो जाती है. ठीक है जी. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है जानना कि ये अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कम करती है. कहीं ना कहीं आप धक्के खा के कुछ ना कुछ नौकरी कर लोगे. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, थोड़ी सी बात करूंगा बट आई वुड लाइक टू कीप इट एज इंटरेक्टिव एज पॉसिबल. वो जो 5 मिनट का जो समय है ना उसको रिवर्स कर देते हैं. 5 मिनट मैं बोलूंगा, 20 मिनट मैं और आप बोलेंगे. सो इफ एनी वॉलंटियर्स कैन हैव माइक्स फॉर पीपल टू आस्क मी क्वेश्चन टू पास अराउंड, आई विल बी हैप्पी to answer all your questions rather than me speaking. मुझे बोलने के बड़े मौके मिलते हैं टीवी पे, तो सुनने के मौके कम मिलते हैं. तो सबसे पहले आपको ये बता दूं कि ये जो मैंने पहले बोला कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट करती है होटल इंडस्ट्री. ठीक है जी. वी ऑल नो दैट, ओके. वी ऑल नो दैट इवन इफ अ गाय इज स्किल्ड अनएडुकेटेड इट क्रिएट्स एम्प्लॉयमेंट. दैट्स द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ studying hotel management, okay, you have to begin low. Definitely you have to begin low, boss. You think you're going to get into State Bank as a clerk, get employed there with all your pulls and fancies that your family has, and you think you will not clean your table? If you join a clerk's job in State Bank of India and you think you're not going to clean your table, you will never be cleaning your table. You will be a dirty person throughout your life. Mindtree Consulting CEO always said that if as a child you don't fold your newspaper when you are a child, you will never be able to fold throughout your life. You will always keep it dirty. So I'm here to only inspire you, not to talk that hotel management खराब है. Sorry boss, जिनको अच्छा खराब लगता है वो जा सकते हैं उठ के. मैं अभी भी कहता हूँ, it's not a piece of cake that you're walking. No, you're not. There are big achievers sitting behind in the green room whose age is just 30, owning 5 beautiful outlets in Bombay. Okay, charismatic, charming. There's another chef who has done wonders for himself, sitting behind to talk to. So when people were talking that at young age, within 5 to 8 years you cannot achieve, probably you are mistaken. If you have got the will, you can always achieve. Yes, levels of achievement will differ. But what you'll achieve here, probably you'll never achieve anywhere else. So let me tell you, you are here at the right place. First of all, clap for yourself because you're doing hotel management. Do not come to fool around here, okay? सेवा की भावना जिनमें है, वो लोग यहां बैठे हैं. जिनमें नहीं है, वो बाहर बैठे हैं. और मैं आपको बता दूं, जैसे मैंने एम्प्लॉयमेंट की बात की, साथ साथ मैं ये भी कहता हूं कि दिस इज द ओनली कोर्स दैट कैन क्रिएट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स विद इन 3 years ऑफ योर लिविंग द होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स. आपके पापा के पास पैसे ना हो, चलेगा. चाय की दुकान खोलने के लिए आपको कोई मना नहीं कर सकता. मैं आपको एक सिंपल सी एग्जांपल देता हूं. इफ यू गॉट द करेज टू डू थिंग्स, I have a auto rickshaw driver. 1 year back, this man would come and pick up my daughter, drop her to school in Kandivali. Within 1 year, he upgraded his job to a taxi driver. He would drive my neighbor's car. Now, 6 months back, he opened a Misal Pav center on the road with all hygiene conditions intact. He makes close to 2 lakh rupees a month. That is because of food. That is because of hospitality. That is because food is becoming big. Hospitality is becoming big. So don't look down. First, stop looking down that मैंने ये होटल मैनेजमेंट का कोर्स कर लिया, इंटर्नशिप में गए, शेफ ने वहां हमारी बजा डाली, 200 किलो प्याज सिलवा दिए तो मैं रोते हुए घर आऊं. अगर रोते हुए घर आते हो तो बॉस उसी दिन डिसाइड कर लो मुझे आगे कोर्स नहीं करना. बदनाम मत करो होटल मैनेजमेंट को. प्लीज स्टॉप टॉकिंग रॉन्ग थिंग्स अबाउट होटल मैनेजमेंट. आई केम फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल टाउन वेयर माई फादर डिड नॉट इवन नो व्हाट अ शेफ इज ऑल अबाउट. Okay, I came from a very small town. And when I went back home, my father asked, because my neighbor's children were all into IIT and I belong to a place where what is famous for IIT Kharagpur. So all my neighbor's children were into IIT. And my father one day asked me, that was my brother who forced me to join hotel management. And most of you here, I was under the same platform, thinking that चल कुछ नहीं तो नौकरी मिल जाएगी. तो हमने भी यही सोच के ज्वाइन कर लिया. बट व्हेन आई केम बैक ऑन माय फर्स्ट वेकेशन, माय फादर आस्क्ड मी, बेटे क्या बनने जा रहे हो तुम? मैंने कहा यार अभी बता दूंगा तो पंगे पड़ जाएंगे. तो मैंने पापा को कहा, मैंने कहा अभी मत सुनिए, थोड़े साल बाद सुन लीजिए प्लीज़. बोले नहीं. तो बड़ी जिद की उन्होंने. यार मेरा माई नेबर्स आर आस्किंग मी, what do I tell them that you are studying? I said, you tell them that I am becoming a chef. बोले चेफ क्या होता है? तो मैंने कहा चेफ वो होता है पापा जो फ्रांस में ना पुलिस वाला भी सल्यूट करता है उनको. बोले आप बेटे बट हम तो खड़गपुर में, हम कहाँ फ्रांस में, हमें क्या पता है. तो मैंने अपनी बेबे को बुलाया, जैसे मैं आज भी टीवी में उनको रिस्पेक्ट देता हूं. तो मैंने अपने बेबे को बुलाया. मैंने कहा बेबे बीच में खड़ी हो जा, मैं कुछ बोलने वाला हूं, पापा शायद गर्म हो जाएंगे. तो मैंने पापा को बोला आप दूर खड़े रहो. और मैंने बेबे को बीच में खड़े किया. मैंने कहा भाई मैं पापा जी मैं बावर्ची बनने जा रहा हूं. सोटा किधर है? सोटा लेके मेरे पीछे भागे. मैंने कहा देखिए टेंशन मत लीजिए, कुछ साल बाद जब मैं आऊंगा खड़गपुर, यू विल टेक लॉट ऑफ प्राइड इन टेलिंग हु आई एम. एंड बिलीव मी, वेरी फ्यू ऑफ यू ऑल नो that in 1993 when Khana Khazana, the first ever food show on television started, it was started by me. So when I first landed on, उस समय इतने पैसे होते नहीं थे कि फ्लाइट वाइट से जा सकते थे. तो स्टेशन पे ट्रेन से उतरे अच्छा, सेकंड एसी के भी पैसे नहीं होते थे कि सेकंड क्लास में जा सके, तो सेकंड क्लास में जाते थे, लेकिन कसम से सेकंड क्लास में ट्रैवल करने का मज़ा आज बड़ा दुख होता है कि आज वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते। सेकंड क्लास में ट्रैवल आज हम खुद नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते, लेकिन वो यादें इतनी बढ़िया है, पूछिए मत। हर एक वेंडर का खाना खाना, हर एक वेंडर से चाय पीना, हर एक वेंडर से मस्ती करना, दैट इज कनेक्टिंग विद पीपल। अल्टीमेटली ही वॉज अ फूडी। द गाय हु वाज सेलिंग समथिंग वॉज फ्रॉम द सेम बैकग्राउंड एज आई एम। ओके, ओनली थिंग इज हम बाहर जब जाते हैं, आज हम ट्रैवल तो बहुत बाहर करते हैं, हम बाहर वालों को देख के बड़ा रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं कि सी हाउ beautifully is selling his goods. Boss, everybody will sell goods as per the environment provided. अचानक से कुछ चीज़ें साफ हो जाएंगी तो आपको खुद ही अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि इतनी साफ क्यों है चीज़। हमारी बड़ी तकलीफ है बॉस। तो हम जब स्टेशन पे उतरे, पापा ने सबको बोला देखो जी टीवी में आया है। He kept walking with me and he kept telling all his friends, see, he's come on Zee TV. Honestly, what is required? A focus, a goal to achieve, a passion within you, okay, and work hard. Anytime you deviate from your focus, you're not going to achieve anything. Like I said, there are people who are achievers behind in this green room who focus clearly that I'll come back from France after studying from France. I will open a chain of macaroon stores with another chef who's behind, who always thought that, okay, God has given me opportunity for television and now I need to explore. What age? Yes, they will become big. Yes, we are trying to make hospitality bigger by working hard. We got the opportunity late in India, but nothing is lost. Whatever is there is now becoming bigger. You are the people who can make it bigger. We are the people who's probably started showing you how you can walk, what are different fields, what different careers you can pick up apart from just working in a hotel, working in a restaurant. It's always, but I always tell people, always remember, if you don't have a domain knowledge which is strong, you will not be able to achieve anything. Remember this in your life. You should know something about what you are doing, whatever it is. For example, if you're trying to build a restaurant, you should know something about it. Not necessary that you should know the food. Probably you'll get somebody to cook the food good. You should know how to sell it better. Or you should know to do branding better. Or you should have a PR skill which is better. So you should have something which you will only be able to tell yourself, that what is that within you which will take you up there in the ladder. So I have been working as a chef. I worked with hotels, I worked with restaurants, I worked with freestanding restaurants. Now I do television, I run a chain of restaurants, I run a series of food brands I endorse, and I own some food brands also. So I keep working on achieving, and now I'm trying to tap the entrepreneur in me. I'm trying to look at, okay, I know cooking well, but what is that I should know to grow my business? So I'm trying to learn that and trying to grow. So learning will never stop. The only thing that you need to stop within yourself is if there is anything that is negative coming within you. The computers have done some fantastic thing. If you look at the keyboard, they have a fantastic option, Control Alt Delete. Anything negative, always do this, Control Alt Delete. Whether it is negative people around you, whether it is negative thoughts around you, whether it is something which is bothering you, try to work around yourself. So now what I like is, if you have any questions, I don't want to speak too much. If you have any questions, please ask. Today is the day I am standing in front of you. You need to break the eggshell. If you need to become a chicken, otherwise अंडे में ही रहोगे और ऑमलेट बन जाओगे कभी भी. So if you have any questions to ask me, today is the date. Go ahead and ask me. Can we have, do we have the mics, please? Actually, I don't like this military rule. मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि मैं आप लोगों के बीच में आऊं. Yes, gentlemen, please go ahead and ask me the question. तू तो वैसे ही खाते पीते घर का बेटा.
Chef, I want to ask you what is the difference between a culinary school and a hotel management college?
अरे मेरा इम्तिहान ले रहा क्या? What is the difference between a culinary school and a hotel management school? Okay, in India as of now, not much differentiation has happened. There are culinary schools in Hyderabad. There are some other culinary schools also. But I know of the one which is there in Hyderabad. A culinary school teaches you only culinary, does not teach you subjects which generally you don't like. अब मुझे पता है बड़े सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे, इतनी वैरायटी की चीज़ें हम पढ़ते हैं. I tell you what, you know, the moment you pass, answering your question first, then I get into that. So a culinary school teaches you whatever is required to become a great chef. So the focus is clear that they want to make you a chef so that you don't think on anything else. A hotel management leaves you like a horse in a race course without the cover. So पता नहीं चलता कहाँ भागना है. तो वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं? You have to find within yourself that what is that you want to do. Like I'll tell you about my story is that I never knew what a chef is all about. In 18 years of my life after passing class 12, until class 12 my family never dined out in a restaurant together. We never knew what a restaurant was all about. So I went straight into a hotel school, and as I joined a hotel school, that's when I realized what a chef is all about. होटल के दरवाजे कैसे होते हैं, क्या होता है, अंदर जाके पता चलता है कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं. But second month I had decided that I only want to become a chef. I don't want to become anything else. So a hotel school teaches you a lot of things. Culinary school teaches you only to become a chef. That's about it.
Thank you, Mercy.
Thank you. क्या मासी? अच्छा, मेरे पंजाबी में मासी याद आ गई. Yes, please pass the mic to him. Okay, I'll also tell you that coming to the subjects of hotel management, after passing from hotel management and while studying hotel management, we all think, why are we studying law? Why are we studying entrepreneur skill? Why are we studying accounts? Okay, let me tell you, all those who have aspirations to become entrepreneurs, please take these subjects seriously. Because now as an entrepreneur, I have to hire a lawyer and first understand the language of a lawyer to get into my agreements. Okay, when I was studying hotel management, मैं भी आप लोगों की तरह गालियाँ दे रहा था, यार बकवास पढ़ा रहे हैं, क्या है ये? लेकिन आज मुझे लगता है कि I should have paid attention. So I am telling you this good advice. Please pay attention to whatever you are studying. Nothing will go waste. If it is accounts, at least you will know what is your profit and loss statement of your business. Otherwise also now hotels have become so smart that if you become a restaurant manager or a chef in a JW Marriott or a Taj, they make you profit center heads, which means you need to do a business plan, you need to understand accounting, you need to understand laws of everything. Okay, it's important. Just don't sleep over these subjects. Study them well. हाँ जी, कोई कुछ पूछने वाला था मुझे.
Chef. Chef, I want to know that you and I are from same background, but what is the procedure to become a celebrity chef?
वाह. मेरे नाना जी कारपेंटर होते थे. My Nana ji was a carpenter. So when I was a small child, I would go and do carpentry with him, which means I would go and make dining tables, cupboards in other people's house. मैं दूसरों के घर में जाके ये बनाया करता था. और आज व्हेन आई रिमेंबर दैट कि नाना जी लकड़ी जब साफ करते थे ना, रंदा मारते थे, तो स्मूथ करने के लिए रंदा मारते थे. एक टाइम के बाद दे वुड नो चिप्स वुड बी कमिंग आउट. दैट्स द टाइम द वुड वाज पॉलिश्ड एंड रेडी फॉर गेटिंग प्लेस्ड लाइक अ ब्यूटिफुल पीस ऑफ फर्नीचर इनसाइड अ हाउस. इसका मतलब ये है कि अच्छी तरह से घिसाई करनी पड़ती है बेटा, तब जाके चमक आती है. यस, ला बेटे माइक दे दे. देयर सम अदर पीपल हु वांट टू आस्क मी क्वेश्चंस. समझ में आ गया बेटे? फैंटास्टिक. तो या तो कारपेंट्री कर लो, कोई एक काम कर लो बेटे. सम वॉलंटियर्स यार, अदरवाइज मेरा तो 10,000 स्टेप्स यहीं करवा दोगे तुम लोग आज.
Good
Yes.
afternoon, Chef.
Yeah.
I'm Crystal Fernandez.
Fantastic.
And my my question to you is, what was the biggest barrier or the toughest situation in your life, and how did you get over it?
तुम्हारे को तो वैसे ही प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बेटा. तुम्हारे को वैसे ही प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कुछ. प्रॉब्लम तो हमारी थी. देखो दाढ़ी पगड़ी वो स्टाइल मारना पड़ा तब जाके आगे बढ़े. जेल भी नहीं लगा सकते थे. तुम्हारे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. द बिगेस्ट बैरियर वॉज विद इन माई ओन सेल्फ. ओके, biggest barrier was every time I was put down by people, there were a lot of negative thoughts coming into my mind. I had to eliminate all those negative thoughts, and which I keep doing that still till date. So every time there is a negative thought, I have to work over it. I have to understand why somebody is saying negative. What is that will change to make it positive? How do I achieve that? That's the most important thing. And I kept focusing on what I wanted to do. You don't worry about it.
Thank you, Chef. That was helpful.
Chef, we are kind of running late on time, so we could probably take one last question. Yes, so one last question. Who would that lucky person be here?
Okay, to you, man, gentlemen.
For once, say namak shamak for all of us.
Okay, one. तू भी बोल ले भाई. तू क्यों पीछे रहेगा? मौका आज ही मिला है. ये लोग तो बोलते रहेंगे टाइम ओवर. पिक्चर के पैसे दिए ना? अभी तो हीरो हीरोइन आने बाकी है. अभी तो कॉमिकल कैरेक्टर घूम रहा है यहाँ पे बीच में.
Good evening, Chef. Good afternoon, Chef.
गाड़ी देख ले भाई एक बार.
Too much
Yeah.
people are telling that the degree is important for hotel management.
Yeah.
Or post graduation is most important for
Yeah.
hotel management.
Yeah.
But why, sir?
I tell you why. First of all, like my father was poor, so hence I had to get into a job immediately. Because I had to support some people back at home. पैसे ज़्यादा है तो पढ़ते रहो यार. पढ़ाई कभी ख़राब नहीं होती. प्रॉब्लम क्या है इसमें? Yes. Okay, guys.
I think the demand keeps increasing, but then it's not
I know
possible
the
for us
demand.
to cater to
Okay.
everyone's questions.
Okay. Okay, guys. The Namak Shamak energy for all of you, so that all of you become good chefs, hospitality guys. Let us help hospitality grow. Let's eliminate all the negative thoughts. पगार 1500 से ही शुरू होगी, चाहे JW मैरियट आए, हयात आए, कोई भी आए. समझे ना? पगार उतने से ही शुरू होगी. मेहनत आपको करनी है और आपने करना है. ओ जी नमक शमक डाल देते हैं. नमक शमक डाल देते हैं. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Chef.
I wish I had
Chef,
more
may I
time.
request you to kindly come on stage.
I wish I
This
had more
seemed
time.
less like a convention, more like a concert with you around. Trust me on that.
देखो इन्होंने माइक भी बंद कर दिया, बोले और नहीं बोल सकते. Thank you guys, wish you all the best, man.
Chef, may I request you to kindly be back? Due to prior commitments, Chef will not be staying with us for the rest of the convention. So as a token of our appreciation, we would like to felicitate him with a memento. And may I request Mr. Jasminder Khanna to kindly do the honors. Students, Chef Harpal Singh Soki out here has motivated you all, inspired you all, entertained you all, sang for you all. I think he deserves a huge round of applause.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much, Chef. You have been a hero to these people, and I think it shows up with their excitement.
Just one more minute before I leave. I wish to see all of you grow into great hoteliers, entrepreneurs, walk the path which is right in life. There will be shortcuts. Of course, there will be shortcuts which will help you make more money. But as gentlemen and as great hoteliers, please walk the path that is right in your life, which will help the country grow bigger and better.